I was actually in North Carolina last year, and we went to a networking event, and it was just in the top of a restaurant, and it was like a beautiful view with a lot of employers. I met a bunch of people who actually work at the company.
I think it would be you have a few different employers that you're interested in, and you're really able to get an eye of what they really do.
Show like the technology and jobs and research, like specifically the R&D, new to field research stuff that they're doing, because that's what's going to get people really excited and interested.
I'd like to learn what they're looking for in an employee, like what types of skills they're looking for, and like what you need to be successful at their company.
How formal are they in terms of the work environment? Is it something tense, or is it something where, you know, I can be more myself?
I'd like to see the employees there because I feel like they could understand my work experience more, and I could learn more about the role as well, besides what I could just read on a job posting.
I definitely like the idea of presentations as opposed to just booths.
I would have it just like a trade show. So you'd have all the employers come in, they could set up big booths, but instead of just having information boards and employees there, they could actually bring their technology, like for example, GM could bring cars and stuff like that. They would bring their newest technology and they could showcase it there while also having employees and hiring managers available to talk to you about what it's like to work for them.